Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Said. I am Prajakta. Welcome back to another Tuesday. Rather early, I must say. I woke up like 2 hours earlier than I usually would. And बड़े दिनों बाद आज मन किया कि I'm going to sit down and I'm going to journal a little bit. I'm going to write a little bit. And when I was writing, I was going through a lot of notes that I had made for things I want to discuss or topics I want to talk about, or there might just be another reason why I'm making notes here and there, just to remember things, When I came across this one particular page जहाँ पे मैंने वो सारी चीज़ें लिखी थी जो मुझे लगा कि are very prominent mistakes that I made, are very unforgettable moves that I made in my life, which sort of made me think and learn new things and fall flat on my face. तो मुझे लगा कि अगर आज Tuesday है, आज वीडियो बनानी ही है, so why not sort of make a video on this, and maybe it can help you with whatever it is that you're going through, या फिर if you want some perspective on something new that you're starting, this might just help. So here are 6 of my biggest mistakes so far, because I'm sure there'll be a lot more mistakes I do like tomorrow. Number 1 is getting comfortable. मैंने इसके बारे में पहले भी बहुत बात की है. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि एज अ क्रिएटर वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक्स यू कैन डू फॉर योर ओन क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस इज गेटिंग कंफर्टेबल समवेयर एंड बीइंग ओके विथ नॉट मूविंग मच. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपने कहीं किसी एक सब्जेक्ट में, जस्ट टू ब्रेक इट डाउन टू, अगर किसी एक सब्जेक्ट का कोई एक चैप्टर है जो आपको आ गया, you will get so comfortable with that you let the whole subject just slide. कि मतलब वो आ गया ना तो ठीक है, अब मैं ठीक हूँ, I'll see something else so that will keep happening, या ऑटो पायलट पे चला जाए वो चाहे. और मुझे याद है जितनी भी बार I have gotten comfortable with whatever that I'm doing, I have hit a content block, I have hit a dead end where life is telling me कि this is not okay, you have to keep innovating, you have to stay uncomfortable in a good way. Because of that, अब जितनी बारी भी कभी अगर ऐसा लगता है कि it's okay, इस हफ्ते maybe I'll let it go, or maybe it's fine that I sit down and I don't think, or I don't work as much, or I don't sort of think as much. लेकिन every time that happens I remember कि there was a time when I got comfortable and I know how hard it was for me to break that and step out. So I know कि मैं कभी दोबारा से comfortable नहीं होना चाहूँगी when it comes to being creative. Mistake number 2 is that I overplanned. बहुत सारे, especially when it came to my career when I was growing up, मैंने हमेशा हर चीज़ over plan करी है. मैंने हमेशा हर चीज़ को like एक certain way में plan किया है, and then I got very annoyed if it didn't go that way. So I made sure that everything that I want, if it's my work, if it's my personal relationships, if it is my relationship with myself, I've always sort of over planned everything. What happens because of that is कि आप कोई रूम ही नहीं रखते हो कि लाइफ आपको सरप्राइज करे, या you don't have your options open. तो कोई नए opportunities, much better opportunities अगर आपके बगल से निकल जाए तो आप नहीं देखोगे, क्योंकि आप blinders लगा के सीधे सीधे चल रहे हो. I realized this with YouTube and my whole radio stint, जहाँ पे मुझे हमेशा से रेडियो पे काम करना था, and that was fixed, that was not negotiable. मैंने कभी एक भी बार बैठ के ये नहीं सोचा कि what, maybe I should give radio one, even when things were going bad. I never thought कि maybe I'm doing it wrong. I always thought that I am not pushing hard, या मैं उतनी मेहनत नहीं कर रही हूँ जितनी मुझे करनी चाहिए, because ये impossible है कि मेरे से होगा नहीं, because I had planned this and I wanted to stick to my plan, and that sort of backfired at me. The one thing I did without any planning whatsoever was start a YouTube channel, and that has, touch wood, been the most beautiful experience of my life, going strong. I would have never reached here if I had not taken that chance. So another mistake I made was that I overplanned. Mistake number 3 is कि I did not welcome fresh perspective. I remember जिस team के बारे में मैं इतने pride से बात करती हूँ आज, this team has been with me since I started. 5 साल पहले when I started making videos, 3 साल पहले तक, at least 2.5 साल पहले तक, like they have always been there. I just wasn't open to perspective. I just wasn't open to let someone else shoot my videos, or let someone else edit my videos, or let someone else help me with writing, या brainstorm on ideas, या take someone else's perspective on how they think this idea might work. आई वॉज वेरी क्लोज. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि नहीं मुझे पता है और मेरे दिमाग में जो चल रहा है वही बेस्ट है और उसके अलावा किसी को कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा. Again I did that and I hit a block where I was like, okay, I'm out of ideas now, I don't know what to do. और उस टाइम पे the one thing I did was कि I let my guard down and I let new perspective come in. जहाँ पे I wasn't shooting my videos, I wasn't editing it, I was getting help writing, I was sharing my ideas as much as I can with everyone in office, and not just work, but also with a lot of things going on outside of work, with my personal relationships. मैंने कई बारी कोई fresh perspective सुनने की कोशिश ही नहीं की, because I always thought that, you know, like we always, all of us, we think that कि मैं जो सोच रही हूँ वो perfect है. Oh boy, so many people are going to call me and be like, I told you, you finally accepted on the internet. But yeah, I did welcome fresh perspective, and that was a huge mistake, because when you get newer people involved, sometimes it can backfire, sometimes you get the wrong kind of people. Luckily for me that did not happen, but with a lot of my peers that has. Sometimes you get the wrong kind of people and then it's a lot of struggle to sort of like break out of that. But you know, you eventually end up getting a bunch of people with great perspective who help you grow so much more than you could help yourself grow alone, you know. Number 4 is another one of my, oh boy, craziest mistakes is of falling out of routine. मैं बहुत thoroughly जानती हूँ अपने आप को और मुझे पता है कि you know, when I'm in a routine, I'm more productive. I am more like, it works like clockwork. You know, you get up at a time, you do do certain things, start working, read, like all of that works like clockwork. And many times I have let myself fall out of that routine where I have become consistently lazy. जहाँ पे मैं जब छोड़ना यार, it's fine. मैं इतने महीने से ऐसे ही कर रही हूँ ना. If what happens if this month, all month I don't do anything. I'm not saying don't take a break, but like I didn't take a break. I just like broke the whole effing routine, जिसका जुर्माना काफ़ी भारी पड़ा, क्योंकि जितना easy routine को तोड़ना होता है उतना ही difficult it is to set a routine and get your mind and your body to coordinate to fall back into that routine, which was another very, very big mistake that I did. I shouldn't have done that, and it still is a very daily regular struggle for me, especially lockdown के time पे, जब it is so easy to fall out of a routine. It's not like I have to be somewhere. lockdown से पहले तो ये था ना कि 9:30 का अलार्म लगा है तो 9:30 उठना ही है, क्योंकि 10:30 घर से निकलना है. You know, I have to leave. अभी तो मेरे पास कितने सारे ऑप्शन है कि 9:30 का पहले तो अलार्म ही ना लगाओ, या फिर लगाया है अलार्म तो उठो ही ना, सब मैनेज किया जाएगा. I can push everything ahead 4 hours. But you know, at the end of the day, I get so guilty about my day, and I don't like that. इसीलिए it is a daily struggle for me to like sort of stick to my routine and try so hard to not sort of break out of it. You know, it's just the way I'm wired. Mistake number 5 is कि मैंने ना कई बार failure को बहुत seriously ले लिया है. You know what I mean? कि मतलब I have let that get to me to a point जहाँ पे I lost self-confidence, I lost any sort of dreams or hopes that I had for myself. I lost any confidence in myself. और उसमें से कभी कुछ अच्छा निकलता नहीं है. I mean, it is one thing to realize that you have failed and accept it, but it is a whole another to use that as something that you keep telling yourself because you feel like you're not good enough, or you keep telling yourself every time things get a little tough. Like for example, मैं जब I was facing like a mad content block और मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि चैनल कहीं नहीं जा रहा है या काम कहीं नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, तो the easiest thing for me to tell myself was कि छोड़ दे, चैनल बंद कर दे. And I believed that because I took failure so seriously. I took the numbers going down on my channel so seriously कि मुझे ऐसा लगा कि उसके अलावा मेरी कोई लाइफ हो ही नहीं सकती है, या इससे बुरा कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता, या इसके ऊपर मैं जा ही नहीं सकती हूँ. यू नो, बिकॉज आई टुक दैट एज माई अल्टीमेट रिजल्ट कि दैट्स इट, रिजल्ट आ गया, यू फेल्ड, सो क्विट. सो आई रियली विश आई हैडंट डन दैट. कई बार आजकल एज इन उसके बाद भी कई बार कुछ चीज़ें नॉट जस्ट वर्क पर्सनली भी होती हैं विच आई जस्ट फील लाइक यू नो आई फेल्ड and I take it too seriously where I feel like the world is ending for me. But then I realized कि it's a mistake and that's not what is happening, and I have to take it with a pinch of salt. And देखा जाए तो every time I have failed, I have come up feeling stronger and better and happier. So yeah, that was a mistake. The last mistake is that, how do I say this and not sound like a jerk? It is a mistake though, लेकिन I'm sure कि I'm really hoping that you will hold my hand on this, क्योंकि I'm hoping ये सबके साथ होता है. Like, I am so absent sometimes, especially when I'm working. Like, I am horrible at multitasking. But having said that, when I'm working, when I'm busy, when I'm occupied with something, I sort of made the mistake of forgetting that I have a life outside of work. You know, forgetting that I have friends who have been with me for years. I have family who's brought me up. I have people who have invested in my life way before work became my top priority. You know what I mean? So क्या होता था कि अगर मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ऑक्यूपाई हो जाती थी वर्क के साथ, या नहीं भी होती थी, you know, for me most of the times that is the only thing on my mind. I lost touch with a lot of close people in my life. Like, I lost out on a lot of important events that I should have been a part of, जैसे, you know, weddings and engagements, reception parties, bachelorette parties, vacations, dates, gossip sessions, over slumber parties, coffee dates, lunch dates, so many things that I'm not saying that I should have quit work and gone there, because that wouldn't make me happy either, but I did not make any effort at all. Like, for me, I was only thinking about myself, and I was only thinking about what video I want to shoot, or what book I want to read, or like, I put myself so high up there on my priority list that I realized that, you know, I am absolutely not taking any effort to respect the people that are in my life, and I feel like that was a huge mistake. And honestly, I only realized that lockdown के time पे, क्योंकि इस टाइम पे when I suddenly saw everything, like, you know, clouds clear हो जाते हैं ना, जो आपके आंखों के सामने से सारी चीजें से बहुत clearly दिखने लग जाती हैं. So a lot of these things became very clear to me. A lot of mistakes that I was doing, a lot of times when, and you know, I'm not saying that I didn't care, or I'm not saying that, you know, it didn't matter to me. I was just surprised कि, you know, it was so in the passing कि I didn't even do it consciously. I feel like that is scary. अगर मैं conscious decision लेती ना कि I don't want to spend my time on this and this is, I would know that okay, it's a wrong decision, but I made it. The fact that it was happening subconsciously and I didn't even realize it till about a few months ago is what is scary. But I was like, oh, I didn't even know I was doing this. But I'm happy क्योंकि बहुत सारी इन चीज़ों पे I got time to think and rectify, and I'm very happy. So I just wanted to make this video क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगा कि शायद इन चीज़ों से तुमको फ़र्क पड़े, या इन चीज़ों से तुमको कुछ चीज़ों से डील करने की समझ आए शायद, because this is how I have dealt with them and this is how it has been. But yeah, these are the 6 biggest mistakes that I have made in my life so far. Let's leave room for like 100 more. But yeah, the good thing is that every time I did make a mistake, I have only learned more, I have only grown from it, I have only came out on the other side happier and more confident than I was before, and that is a win, my friend. So on that note, this Tuesday has been very emo, but that's fine. I can get a little vulnerable with you guys every now and then. I like that about us. I'm gonna go now. I will see you again on Thursday. I'm gonna go finish a script for this Thursday. Until we meet, love.